back to my channel where I make videos about tech, unboxing, product reviews, events, and some fun stuff. And for today's video, I will be unboxing this Dell XPS 159510 laptop. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started unboxing this laptop. Okay, so this is what the Dell XPS 159510 laptop looks like. It's very sleek. I love the silver color. It just looks very simple, especially with the logo here. It is not too light, it's a little heavy. And now let's talk a little bit about the specs for this laptop. So this came in with Windows 11 Home operating system. The processor for this is Intel iCore i7-11800H. The screen is 15.6 inches FHD. Memory is 32 gig DDR4. Storage is 512 gig. M2 solid state drive, which means it's really fast, faster than the regular SSD because it's an M2. So it'll probably take 2 seconds to boot up this thing, which is really fast. And it comes with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 as well. So laptop has 15.6 inches screen size, which is really decent, not too big, not too small. I like that. The keyboard feels good too. It's not like very flat. I don't like that kind of keyboard. And the trackpad is a decent size. It takes almost half of the laptop size. So that is better for the newer models. Before, the laptops, the older laptops only has like really small trackpad. Now it's bigger. Okay, so if you want a solid laptop for work with very powerful and killer specs that would last you a long time, the Dell XPS 15 laptops are really a good choice. The Dell XPS laptop and other Dell laptops offer really very powerful specs. I think the RAM goes up to 64 gig. I've seen laptops with 64 gig RAM and 4 terabyte storage, which is really powerful, and it will really last you a long time. So if you really want a powerful laptop that could handle all of your work, that would last you long, the Dell is really a good choice. Okay, so now let's check on the ports for this laptop. So on the left side, let's see what it has. It has 2 USB-C ports on the left side, and on the right side, there's 1 USB-C port and a port for the charger. Okay, so now let's see what other stuff came with the laptop. So in this box, it has the chargers, of course, the cord for the charger, and the charger is this one. Also, what I love about Dell is despite just having USB-C ports for their laptops, they provide you with the dongles. So let's check this out. Okay, so this is really good because you don't have to worry about looking for an adapter or spending money for adapters because it comes with it. So let's see up close. It has 2 ports in here, HDMI and a USB-A. This is perfect if you want to connect another screen for your laptop and if you want to insert like a flash drive. This is so cool. At least Dell provides this. This is what I love about Dell. Such a good brand. Okay, so again, this laptop is not very light. I think this is heavier than the Lenovo Yoga, the Microsoft Surface, and the Lenovo X1 Carbon. But that's not really a bad thing because it's not too heavy as well. It's not very thin too. So I think Dell just focuses on the powerful specs rather than the aesthetics and the style of the laptop. Okay, so that would be it for today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you guys next time for my next unboxing videos. Thank you so much.